Good morning, peeps. So today it's my birthday. Nanonood tayo ng Dionella concert and then inuom with friends. First things first, maglalaro muna ako ng basketball. Kasi nga, that's a must. I'll take you to my day. Bye! Yan, bili muna tayo ng kape. Yan. May kape na tayo. Leaf. Good shit, man. Good run. So, ayan. Nandito na naman kami in Meriton. Naging favorite na namin ang Meriton. Room tour. Oh my God. Happy birthday to me, diba? Very spoiled ako, guys. In terms of this kind of celebration. Ayan guys, dito na kami. Papanoorin ko lang yung barkada ko. Birthday ko.
You're the thunder on my rainy days. Your lips eyes left me all amazed. I was dropped from the heaven.
Yes, sir.
You're the medicine to calm my brain. Baby, you're mine. The remedy I need.
Okay. Singers, mga singers tayo, no? Yes.
Like my flesh, I'm living life the day I'm dead. Oh, and the pain I love, even though I'm scared of love, baby, you know the pain is unbearable. You know, minsan ay ikinamana, pag pinipiling ay salamanda. Ikaw ay pinasing sa husayang pinaluluma. Pinipili kong ginto ang nakatulungan. Gonna keep you like that shit all my life.
Speech ko. Sana lahat ng nandito, Papa G, hindi na maghirap sa buhay. Ay, nanalo ng loto.
Amen!
At mga family namin. Amen.
Yan.
Muna para makaano na tayo. Pinagpamingin na agad. Bomba!
Kanina, nung ako ang nagtitimpla, okay lang eh.
Okay lang.
Simula nung pagtimpla mo,
Pre!
kanino na ako.
Ang inong yan.
Timpla mo.
May magsisiki mamaya!
Masaya ko din.